changing the oil and filter on a Jaguar XF 2014 using the siphoning method, which saves you getting underneath the car. This is the location of the oil filter housing I'm pointing to. You need a 27mm socket and you put it on the oil filter housing and you undo it anti-clockwise. They always feel a bit stiff on these for some reason. It's good to put a cloth under the oil filter when you're taking it off so it catches any oil that spills out. That is the oil filter out. There. You can put the filter into a container and empty the oil out. Clean the filter housing. Here's the new filter. And the new O-ring. Take the old O-ring off. Like so. The new filter pops on, like so. You can't prime these oil filters because they bolt on downwards, so the oil would run out. Then we put the oil filter back on. Start it off with your fingers and then tighten it up with the socket. They do have a torque setting, so I do it up by feel. I've got to say, you put a little bit of oil around the seal when you put it on before you fit it. Alright, now to siphon the oil out, you unscrew this cap, put that side, and you put your siphoning tube on. I use an electric pump. You can use a handheld siphon. You put the other end into a can. So you can gauge how much you get out if you want to. It should be 5.9 litres or thereabouts. You switch the pump on. And off it comes. You can obviously change the oil from underneath, but this saves you getting all of it. Right, that's it. Take this end off. Put this back on. This is put on, and it turns to the right. This clips on, so you screw it. That's it. The oil filter cap off, like so. And we put the oil in. This is 5 litres. 0.9 of a litre. I will start the car up to start it up, then switch it off just to let the oil get around a couple of times. Just check we have no oil leaks in the oil filter. No, all looks fine.